Good afternoon, everyone. Today is the 7th of September 2025, and it's a Sunday. Now, unless you've been living under a rock the past few days or so, you will have gotten a text from your network provider to let you know that they are testing, the government is testing out an emergency alert system which will go off in every working device across the country. I don't think Ireland's affected by this, but Northern Ireland is for definite, because it's part of the UK. Now, at the time I record this, it's 14:23. So the alarm is scheduled to go off in about, just over half an hour. 37 minutes to be precise. Shortly, I'm going to switch from my phone to my iPad to record potentially record the emergency alert system going off. The last time they tested this was, for test reasons, was on the 23rd of April 2023. I wasn't successful in recording that test, although I did see a few other videos from people I know personally. Shout out to you, Theo Hemming. The last time they actually used this alarm was in January of this year. It was the 23rd, and it was just before 6 p.m. When Storm Éowyn was meant to hit Ireland and parts of Scotland and Wales and England. It was a red weather warning, and I remember it was kind of scary at the time, but it got better. So, as I said, I'm gonna switch over to my iPad just whenever it's closer to the time, and I'll potentially record this. See you there. Any second now, the alarm should be going off. This is strange. It should have went off.
I know. Does mine say 3?
Yeah, it's meant to work for any devices on a cellular network. Both of these devices are. Well, not the iPad. What the hell's wrong with this thing?
That's odd.
Yeah. We just caught it going off there. I was recording earlier, but it went out, unfortunately.
Did mine go?
Yes, yours went. That's why I cut off. And there you go.